Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can identify inducement in the smart money concept, both in charts and on the sketch. And without any further, let's go straight into the video. Now welcome back to this channel. My name is JFX and I'm a full-time smart money concept trader. I do use smart money concept as my strategy to make money in the market. And in this video, we are going to learn how we can map up your structure with inducement both on the charts and also on the sketch. So I'm going to first show it to you on the sketch, and then later on we shall go in the. I believe you can see my charts. My screen. So first and foremost, if you are going to identify inducement, you have to make sure that you understand the overall trend. So if the market is in uptrend, that means you are going to find your inducement, or you are going to mark up your pullbacks, and then in those pullbacks, it's where you shall identify the inducement. Are we together? So this market, we believe that it is in uptrend, and in the pullbacks is where we identify our inducement. So if at all the market is making like this, it's playing like this, that means it's making what we call pullbacks, and in these pullbacks it's where we locate our inducement. Are we together? So I'm going to show it to you also on the sketch, on the candlestick, and then I'm going to give you the rules which you have to follow while we are finding our inducements. Okay, so as you can see here on your screen, first and foremost, when you are identifying inducement, the first rule, the first criteria, you have to identify the grand par in the move. Okay, if at all the market is in uptrend like this, so you have to identify first after identifying the overall trend, and then you have to identify the grand par in that move. Okay, you have to identify the grand par in that move, and in this scenario, in this case, this is our grand par. Okay, this is our grand par candlestick. As you can see it here, I have marked it. Okay, so we are going to name it, and then we are going to identify the grand par's bottom. This is the grand par's bottom, as you can see. So this is the grand par. This is the grand par, as you can see. So that means the market has already met the first criteria, and the first criteria is identifying the grand par. And then make sure the grand par's bottom is swept, as you can see here. The grand par's bottom is swept. And then thirdly, the third criteria is that make sure that the grand par's top is also swept as well. And in this scenario also, the grand par's top was swept by this candlestick. Okay, the grand par's top was also swept. And then the fourth criteria, you have to make sure that you mark the last selling candle, and in this scenario, the last selling candle will be our inducement. Okay, the last selling candle will be our inducement. So as you can see, this is our last selling candle, and we have marked it as our inducement. So this is how we identify inducement, and then we are going to go straight into the charts, and then I'll be showing you how to identify it